In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create website animation 3D effect with Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once the results appear, click on Google AI Studio to open the platform. When the homepage loads, select Start Building. This takes you into the workspace where you can begin generating your project. After entering the workspace, head to the Settings area. This is where you can configure the environment before generating anything. One of the most important choices here is the model. Choose a newer model for chat, since newer models generally follow design instructions more accurately and do a better job with modern front-end requests. Next, look for the framework option and choose Next.js. This matters because the framework tells the AI what kind of project structure to generate. If you want a clean web app setup for interactive effects, Next.js is a strong choice and gives the AI a clearer target. Now move to the prompt box. Type your prompt or paste in one you already prepared. If you want a smooth and interactive 3D website effect, be specific in your instructions. In particular, mention the rendering engine you want the AI to use because that helps it generate a more performant and visually accurate result. If you have a sample prompt ready, this is a good moment to pause and customize it to match your style or animation idea. Once your prompt is ready, click Build. You may also see a run option, and either one will begin generating the files for your project. After the build finishes, open the live preview and test the cursor interactivity so you can see how the 3D effect responds in real time. If you want to improve the result, use the chat prompt box to refine the 3D behavior without starting over. When you're happy with the final version, export or download the zip file, extract it to your computer, and then publish it by uploading the files to a hosting platform such as GitHub Pages or Netlify.